Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to be working some more on the Camaro. We're doing something that I didn't think I would get to, and that's just because I'm a little bit lazy sometimes. We are replacing the gas shocks on the Camaro. That'll be the ones that hold up the hood. So stay tuned and watch how we do it. Tools needed for this job: regular screwdriver and perhaps a pair of needle nose pliers. So these are the shocks that we have here. These are the old ones. As you can see, it's being held up by a broomstick currently. So we're going to work on getting these swapped out. And the first thing that we actually have to do is we have to pop this little clip off here that holds that side on. So it's pretty easy. Just lift it up and slid it out. Alright, so we pulled the bottom bracket off. We're going to use the one that came with the top. So that's the same as the one here. Let's go slide it over. And then for the bottom one, we're going to reuse the bracket that was on the original one. So get that up there. And there we go. It's locked back in place. Alright, so for this one, we're going to take the clip off there. Set that off to the side since we'll reuse that one. Got that out. Had to pry the brackets off each edge. That way it would come off. That slides right on. Hood. That one in place. Put this clip back on. Like so. Look at that, Drac. A broomstick. You don't need it. Shut. Let's do it. If you guys like this short little video on how we replaced the gas shocks for the hood, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell to get notifications, and we'll catch you in the next one.